Experiencing a dead 12-volt battery in your 2018 Tesla Model 3? You're not alone. Early Model 3s were prone to this issue due to excessive parasitic drain from components like the infotainment system and sensors. The 12-volt battery powers essential functions like door locks, lights, and the touchscreen when the car is off. The good news is that Tesla has released software updates to mitigate this problem. Make sure your car has the latest firmware, V2024-12 or later, installed via the Tesla app or service center. These updates optimize sleep modes and power management to reduce drain. If software updates don't fully resolve the issue, especially in older, unserviced cars, hardware wear might be the culprit. Cold weather can also exacerbate the problem by reducing battery capacity. Warning signs include messages on the touchscreen like 12-volt battery low voltage, service required, or battery voltage too low, vehicle may not start. Ignoring these warnings can lead to a car that won't start and requires a jump start. If software updates don't completely fix the 12-volt battery drain, consider replacing the battery with a high-quality AGM type. For persistent issues, a defective DC-DC converter or wiring harness might be the cause, requiring replacement or repair. In some cases, installing a smart voltage regulator can help. Preventative maintenance is crucial. If you plan on storing your Model 3 for an extended period, use a trickle charger to maintain the 12-volt battery's charge. Regularly monitor the battery voltage with an OBD2 tool to catch potential problems early. Remember, newer Tesla models use lithium-ion 12-volt batteries, which offer significantly longer life and better cold weather performance, reducing drain issues. By following these steps, you can minimize the risk of 12-volt battery problems and keep your 2018 Tesla Model 3 running smoothly.